Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Webull and Robinhood, two popular platforms for option tradings. So Webull offers commission-free options trading with advanced charting tools, technical analysis features, and comprehensive platform design for traders who want more control and insights into their trades. While Robinhood is known for its user-friendly interface, making commission-free options trading accessible to beginners with a simple and straightforward approach to executing trades quickly. So, in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their options trading features, pricing, performance, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Webull and Robinhood, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you can also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the options trading feature comparison. So when it comes to commission on options, so Webull offers $0 per trade. Same thing with Robinhood. When it comes to contract fees, that's it again. Same thing. Webull and Robinhood offer $0 per contract. When it comes to option trading levels, so Webull offers multi-tiered levels based on experience, which is level 1 to level 3, while Robinhood they have simplified options level for trading, including spreads. When it comes to option type supported, so both platforms, Webull and Robinhood, offers calls, puts, and spreads. When it comes to option tools, Webull, they have advanced tools like Greeks, Delta, Gamma, implied volatility or IV, and probability analysis. While Robinhood, they have basic Greeks but lacks more advanced tools like implied volatility analysis. So that's it. And when it comes to charting for options, Webull have comprehensive charting tools with technical indicators, while Robinhood they have basic charting, no in-depth technical indicators for option traders. When it comes to educational resources, Webull they have limited educational content, while Robinhood they Robinhood Learn offers they have Robinhood Learn that offers beginner-friendly educational resources. For expiration cycles, so Webull monthly, weekly, and quarterly expirations are supported. Same thing with Robinhood. Lastly, for paper trading, so Webull, they have it, yes. Virtual options trading available, while Robinhood, paper trading is not available for options. And yes, that's it for the option trading feature comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. When it comes to option tradings, Webull is free. Same thing with Robinhood. They require $0 per trade and they have no contract fees, which is very good. And for stock and ETF tradings, so same thing again. Webull and Robinhood is free, commission free when it comes to stock and ETF tradings. For margin rates, Webull starts at 9.49%, which is tiered, while Robinhood starts at 12% through Robinhood Gold. For crypto trading fees, so Webull is a spread-based pricing, same thing with Robinhood. Lastly, for premium subscription, Webull doesn't have any premium subscription, while Robinhood, they have a Robinhood Gold subscription, which is $5 a month for margin and research tools. So that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. When it comes to platform speed, so Webull is very fast. They have fast execution with the real-time codes. Same thing with Robinhood. They have fast execution but with occasional downtimes reported. For charting and analysis tools, Webull they have advanced charting indicators and analysis tool, while Robinhood they have also basic charts with limited advanced indicators. And for mobile app performance, so Webull they have robust advanced tools available on mobile, while Robinhood they have simple user-friendly interface with fewer tools. For order execution speed, Webull is generally fast, though it depends on the market condition. Robinhood is also fast, but some users report execution delays during high volatility. And for the customization and flexibility, Webull is very highly customizable interface with many features. So Robinhood, they have minimal customization. They are focused on simplicity. Lastly, for option trading interface, Webull is very sophisticated with detailed insights for active traders, while Robinhood is streamlined for simplicity but lacks depth for advanced traders. So that's it for the simple performance comparison. Now let's go to customer and support. For the support channels, Webull, they have email and in-app support, but they have no live chat support. Same thing with Robinhood, they have email support. There have no in-app support and also no live chat support. For response time, so Webull is very moderate, typically responding within 24 to 48 hours. So Robinhood is also often slow response time, several days to reply. For educational resources, Webull is limited. Robinhood is more extensive. They have beginner-friendly resources. Lastly, for help center, Webull have basic facts and knowledge base, while Robinhood they have detailed help center and Robinhood Learn. And yes, that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the option trading features, pricing, performance, and customer support. So now let's go directly to pros and cons. And let's start with Webull pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Webull provides advanced charting tools and options analytics like Greeks, implied volatility or 4, and detailed technical indicators, making it suitable for more experienced option traders. They have commission-free options trading with no contract fees, and it allows traders to execute strategies without hidden costs. They offers paper trading for options, giving traders the chance to practice strategies in a risk-free environment. And lastly, they have more flexibility and depth for technical analysis, supporting traders who prefer in-depth research and chart-based decision. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Webull's very limited educational resources for beginners, which may leave new option traders struggling to understand advanced strategies. Their customer support is slow with no live chat option, making it challenging to resolve issues in real time. Their interface, while customizable and feature-rich, can be overwhelming for users seeking a simpler, more streamlined experience. And lastly, while mobile-friendly, the application of Webbull can be slower to navigate compared to simpler platforms like Robinhood, especially for new traders. So that's it for the Webbull pros and cons. Now let's go to Robinhood pros and cons. For the pros, Robinhood is extremely beginner friendly interface, making it easy to get started with options trading, even if you're new to the market. They have no commissions or contract fees on option trades, making it accessible to traders with smaller budgets. They have Robinhood Gold that provides access to research tool and margin trading at an affordable price point, expanding the platform's utility. And lastly, their educational resources are easy to follow and they help new traders understand option strategies, making it a good starting point for novices. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Robinhood lacks advanced option like analytic tools like implied volatility and detailed technical indicators, making it less suitable for seasoned traders. They have limited customization and technical features, and it can frustrate more experienced traders who need this detailed insights and flexibility. They have occasional downtimes or delays during high trading volumes, and it can result in missed opportunities, particularly in fast moving markets. And lastly, they have a slow customer support with frequent delays in getting responses to issues or queries, especially compared to other platforms. So that's it for the Robinhood pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you at options trading. And let's start by discussing who should choose Webull. Webull is referable for someone who seek advanced tools like analytics, like Greeks and implied volatility for more complex option trading strategies. Someone who wants to engage in paper trading to practice option strategies without risking real money. Someone who prefers a highly customizable platform that supports in-depth charting and technical analysis. And lastly, someone who is a more experienced trader looking for robust tools and does not mind the steeper learning curve. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Webull is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Robinhood, Robinhood is referable for someone who is a beginner to option trading and needs an intuitive user-friendly interface to learn the ropes. Someone who prefers a simple platform with no fees or hidden costs, ideal for traders with smaller budgets. Someone who enjoys easy access to educational resources to learn about option strategies and basic investing. Lastly, someone who values a streamlined experience over deep customization and prefers a mobile first approach to trading. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Robinhood is the choice for you for option tradings. And that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms cater to different types of option traders. Webull stands out for its advanced tools and technical insights, perfect for experienced traders who need a deeper analytics and customization. Meanwhile, Robinhood is designed for beginners with its simple interface, easy to understand options, and no hidden fees, making it ideal for new traders who want to start small. Each platform offers its own advantages depending on your experience level and trading preferences. Choose the one that suits your trading style and start maximizing your option trading potential today. And with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.